I'm Susan. Today I'm sharing a haul I got. I went to Habitat for Humanity over the weekend and they had a half price off of $5 and under. So I loaded up. Most of my stuff is practical for crafting, but there were a few items I had to get just because they called to me. So first of all, we're going to start with the candle holders. $1 a piece. And that's even better than Dollar Tree. And I got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I got 11 of them. And they're all different shapes. Paying $1 at Dollar Tree doesn't seem bad, but when you can get them for $1, and they just have all different heights and sizes, I just felt like I lucked out. And to get that many, and I could have got more, but you got to stop somewhere. And then they had this brass one for 50 cents, which I got for $1. And I love red, and I got this bottle for a dime. It's so unique. I love it. I got this pair of brass candlesticks for $1. 50 cents a piece for brass. As well as these. I got both of these for $1 together. I got this one for $1. It looks like it's been spray painted, but it's brass. And I just absolutely, this one is so heavy. And I got it for 50 cents. I love the black. This is one that just called out to me. I got it for $1, but it's very unique. I love it. I won't do anything to it. I think I'll keep it like it is. I found this tin box for 50 cents. Like I say, I love red. And I got this candle. I wasn't sure what it was, but then I saw on the back it's a candle holder. But even the back's pretty. And my husband, he likes to read Christian books. Got all these for $1 a piece. I love bottles. It might even be just a olive oil bottle. I don't know what kind of bottle it is, but I got it for $1. I just thought it looked unique and different. And this one I got for $1.50. I love the detail. But it's so pretty and it's so heavy. I think it's a decanter. Fun. I just could not walk away from this. I love stuff like this. It's metal. It's got I don't know if you can see, it's light, but it's got the leaf and grapes. I paid $2 for this. I think it's absolutely beautiful. And no, I won't do anything to this. I'll leave it like it is. This beautiful long tablecloth for $2. I love the blue and white, just a pretty pale blue and white. I saw the edging, I'm like, oh no, it was a sheet, not a tablecloth, but it is. It runs down two sides, the two long sides, so it is a tablecloth. And I just love it. And I found another one for $2. For fall. Just I don't have anything for fall tablecloth. I just, the pumpkins on it's pretty. And my absolute favorite find. I don't know what they are, but I just knew that I had to get them. And that is these. They look vintage. They may not be. Only this one has a lid. I got it for $1. And I love the flowers. You definitely won't be doing any crafts with it. And this is a brother or sister. No lid on this one. And I don't know what they are. If you know what they are, please comment down below and let me know. But it also cost $1. But I love the design. It's beautiful. That's all that I've got. I could have gotten so much more. One, I put a limit on myself, tried to, for $25. And I bought a lot of stuff I knew I could use for my craft. Well, the candle sticks. Oh, I forgot to show you my frames. I got also a bunch of frames. $1. $1.50. And I love it. I could make a tray, or I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but it is beautiful. I look for the big beefy or the ones that have a lot of detail. This one I got for $1. It hadn't even been out of the package. And I could paint this. And it's just a little frame. I may put like some kind of medallion or something like that. I think it's real pretty. I thought I was done. I should have known I wasn't. Got this for 50 cents. Even the dove is cute, but I'll probably do something with this. And I love the detail on this frame. Got it for $1. I love the detail on this one. And $8.50 for it. Very beautiful. And then just a plain frame, paid 50 cents for. And I also got these. I doubt if I'll eat the peppers. They look pretty rough. But I love the bottles. And I love the metal rack that's holding it in. I thought about painting them, but I really don't want to take the tops off of it because I love that red. I'm a sucker for red. I may take off the raffia and put some twine around it. I'm not sure. I wouldn't use the jars anyway, but the peppers look rough. So if I could empty them without messing up the top, I would. I may still just paint the bottoms. I haven't made up my mind how I'm going to handle that one. But there was so much pretty stuff that I could have gotten. But we're renting right now, and we hope to be moving soon. And all my stuff that's from my mom and my grandmother packed away, so I didn't want to load myself down until I can really go through everything I have. So I hope you enjoyed this haul. If you like content like this, please hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and give me a big thumbs up. And I hope y'all have a great, blessed day. Until next time, bye.